In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to count nulls in Snowflake effectively. This is an essential skill when you're managing and analyzing data, as dealing with null values can sometimes lead to unexpected results if not handled properly. Understanding how to count these null values allows you to gain insights into the completeness and reliability of your data set. Now, let's focus on counting null values in a specific column within your Snowflake database. For this task, we'll be using the COUNTIF function. This function is particularly useful because it allows you to apply a conditional expression to your data. By doing this, you can count only those entries that meet the specific criteria you set. In this case, our criteria will be that a given entry is null. Let's break down the process. Imagine you have a table, which we'll refer to as table name for this example, and within this table, there's a specific column, column name, where you want to count the number of null values. The SQL query you'll be crafting is designed to give you this exact count. Here's how it works. You'll start by typing the select statement, followed by COUNTIF, a versatile aggregate function available in Snowflake. The COUNTIF function helps us in counting the number of instances where our particular condition is true. In our scenario, the condition is that the column name contains a null value. So, between the parentheses of COUNTIF, you'll type in column name is null. This clause checks each row in column name to verify whether the value present is indeed null. Next, you assign a label, which in this case will be null count, using the AS keyword. This label will make your results neatly packaged and easy to interpret when you retrieve them. After specifying your selection, you declare where you want to gather data from, using the from keyword followed by table name. This part of the query tells Snowflake exactly which table to apply the COUNTIF function. After running this query, the result returned will represent the total number of rows where column name contains null. This count can provide valuable insight into data integrity, helping you make informed decisions regarding data quality and completeness. Understanding this operation is fundamental when handling data with incomplete entries, as it empowers you to better prepare for reporting, analysis, or further data processing. Always double-check your table and column names. This meticulous approach ensures the query targets the right dataset. With that, you've learned how to efficiently count null values in Snowflake. This skill is a powerful tool in your data management arsenal, allowing you to maintain accurate and insightful data sets.